How to fix Minecraft Getsockopt connection timed out error. Now, if you're encountering this kind of error message, this is actually about the server that you're trying to connect. But first, just simply close your Minecraft launcher. To make sure that there is no operating or running Minecraft, go into your task manager. And from here, under processes, look for the Minecraft launcher or Minecraft client from here. You just have to double check if it is still running. If it does, just simply click that and hit on End Task. Now, the very first troubleshooting is to go into your Windows search and access and open up your control panel. Now, from here, if you're currently under large or small icon, just simply switch it into category, click on System and Security, and then below Windows Defender Firewall, click on Allow an app through Windows Firewall, and this box will appear. Now, all you have to do is to allow another app by clicking that option here, and then choose on Browse. Now you just have to look for the file path where your Java is located. This is usually located to this PC, local disk C, program files, and then the Java folder, and then choose on the J or E folder, the bin. And then from here, what you want to do is to click and choose on java.exe. Hit on open, and then just choose on add. Now once added, make sure that the java.exe is going to be thick and then hit on OK. Now relaunch your Minecraft game and you're good to go. And that's it. That's how you fix Minecraft Get Suck Up connection timeout error.